What's going on? Levi here from Digital Epidemic, coming at you with another mobile first video here today. And this one is going to be about secure socket layers, or the HTTPS that comes before your URL, and also image optimization. A third thing it's going to be about is Siteground. And the reason it's going to be about Siteground is because it's going to handle all of those things for us. So let's jump right in. All right, so let me go ahead and go into Chrome. And once we're here, let's go ahead and log into our website. It'll be your domain name /WP-admin. And then I'm going to let LastPass autofill this thing for me. Do a little fingerprint access here for the code to get into LastPass. And it went ahead and autofilled for us here. So we're logging in. And now let's go ahead and go up to the top left menu. Let's scroll down to SG Optimizer. And if it's not already there for some reason and you are on Siteground, just go find this plugin in the WordPress plugin database. So SG Optimizer. But if you have been following the steps, it should automatically have put it in for you when we first installed everything. So let's see what we've got here in the SG Optimizer. So it's already got some stuff turned on for us, like dynamic caching, automatically purging. Let's see what else we've got. All right, I'm going to just go ahead and hit the three dots at the top right and go into desktop site, just so I can kind of get a bird's eye view of everything. I'm going to go ahead and click on environment optimization. And first here, we're going to go ahead and handle the secure socket layer, the HTTPS, because if we go up here to our top left and click on this I right in front of it, it says we are not secure, meaning we just have the HTTP up there at the top left. We don't have the HTTPS. And Siteground does come with free secure socket layers, so I know that we actually do have one. I'm thinking before we install this, we should probably go double check that, because if we install it and force it to use the HTTPS and the certificate is not in place, we're going to be in big trouble. So let's go to siteground.com. Gonna click on our user guy here. There it is. And we're going to click sign in. No thanks, it's already in there. All right, up at the top left, we're going to click on services, hosting, manage, scroll down. We've got websites, statistics. We can manage, scroll down, site builder, CDN, CG site scanner, SSL. Encrypt all data transmission to protect your visitors. A free option is available. Let's click add then. If it doesn't think we already have it. Scroll down. Let's encrypt SSL. Okay, it looks like it wasn't on here. So let's go ahead and add the Let's Encrypt Wildcard SSL by clicking Activate. Good thing we came and checked it out. Okay, we do have one and it's active. That was fast. Let's go ahead and click to close this tab. Actually, just leave it open and we'll go back over to our WordPress backend. And now we're going to go ahead and enable HTTPS. Click confirm. All right, HTTPS is enabled. Let's go ahead and switch back to our click on desktop site to switch back to mobile. And now it's going to ask us to relog in because we do have our secured little lock here at the top left, which means that connection is secure and we are on HTTPS. Log in. Okay, let's go ahead and scroll down now that we've taken care of the SSL. Let's go ahead and switch over to the image panel, which is on the far right, front end optimization. And we got image optimization. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn on new image optimization. So it automatically does it for us every time we upload a new image. And then also want it to start optimization of the images that we have on there. And this is a nice, easy way to get image optimization without having to add any more plugins on the back end, because the more plugins you have, potentially the slower your site's going to load and the more updates you have to deal with. So we're just going to use their built-in one here. And I'm pretty sure we don't want to leave this page while it's doing this. So just hang tight, everybody. Awesome. All images in the media library have been optimized. It's really all we needed to get the two things done nice and quick, to get our secure socket layer and our image optimizations. And both of those come with the Siteground. So it makes it just so super easy having their own plugin that does these for you. Now, if you don't have Siteground, I do still want to give you some options out there for both of these two things. So let's go ahead and go into plugins here and add new. I'm not going to actually add it, but I want to go in and give you my suggestions here for what I would use if you're not using Siteground or you just don't want to use their plugin. So for the SSL, I'm going to search SSL here. And I'm going to show you the one I usually use. Yeah, it's actually just right on top here. Really simple SSL. And that one is really awesome. It's nice and easy also. Very good one to use. Obviously, 3+ million people think so. All right, and then for image optimizations, I actually really like using Smush because they really do give you a lot of options with the free plan. So right here, this very top one, Smush image optimization, compression, and lazy load. And those are my two go-to apps when I'm not using Siteground. Another image optimizing option would be to use the plugin that the Acabado theme recommends right here, which would be the ShortPixel image optimizer. Just one more option there also. Anyways, thanks for staying here all the way to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully you get lots of goodness out of it. And until the next video, please do some stuff down below, hit some likes, subscribe, just all that good stuff. I'm Levi, take care.